Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today we are making soya beef fried rice. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy fried rice. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. For ingredients, we'll be needing our rice. I'm using basmati white rice, carrots, coconut oil, onions, garlic and ginger, spring onions and pepper. This is our soya powder and this is our soya beef. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing to make our delicious soya fried rice. Let's go ahead and wash our rice. We are using water from the kettle. I'll go ahead and add salt. This amount is okay. And some oil, guys. This amount is okay. And I'll go in with my rice. Let's go in and stir it together. Guys, we are going to pre-boil this rice. So after it has boiled over, I am going to drain all the water out and then that is it. Guys, we are going ahead to fry our veggies. So in a pan, I'll go ahead and add my coconut oil. I'll go in with my garlic and ginger. It's really perfect. I'll go in with my carrots. This soya fried rice is so delicious, guys. If you have soya powder and soya beef in your house, just make this delicious fried rice. The first time I tried it was then I made soya and then I wanted to make fried rice, but I didn't have any meat in the house. So I decided to add it and it was so delicious. It was something I didn't even plan, but trust me, it was so delicious. The spices from the soya, guys, give your rice a very nice flavor and taste. Let's go in with our onions. Ready and check out shabu shabu. Now I'm done with the draining of the water, guys. You see that? And then I'll go ahead and cover it on a medium-low heat. Just allow the vapors to cook this rice. Let's go in with our pepper. Guys, our rice is ready. Look, you can see how it looks perfect for your fried rice. So we are going to set this rice aside and allow it to cool down. Yes. Then we will go on with our soya veggies. Then I'll go ahead and add my soya beef. Soya, guys. It's doing perfect, guys. It looks so good. I'll go ahead and add some soya powder, guys. And you always have to be very careful with the salt because there is always salt in your soya powder. So always have to be very careful with it. After adding everything, then you can go ahead and taste for salt and add salt if it's necessary. Now I will go in with my rice, guys. Look at this, it looks so good. Normally I will add soya sauce or oyster sauce to my fried rice, but I don't want to because I don't want any sauce to overpower my soya rice. Otherwise you won't feel the soya powder in your sauce. So this is about soya, you know. So we will keep it like this. We are not adding anything, guys. You go in with the rest of our soya powder. And then we are good to go, guys. Look at this. Look at this. It looks so good. And I'll go in with my spring onions, guys. And that is it. Stir, 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 stir. then you can go ahead and serve your delicious fried rice. Look at this, your rice, your delicious soya fried rice is ready. This rice is given, guys. So if you have guests over and you want to surprise them, guys, surprise them with this. So Samuma will make this delicious fried rice, guys. Let's taste for salt. I'll add a little salt. This amount of salt is okay. And then that is it. Our rice is ready, guys. Our rice is given. Guys, thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious, healthy soya fried rice. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Adios. Kiss.